Let me tell you about what I've learned after years of styling high achieving women. Most successful women are not struggling with confidence. They are struggling with something else. It's usually outfit anxiety. And it's not talked about because you look fine, you feel fine, you're capable, you're accomplished, you're doing the work. But internally, there's always this quiet mental loop every time that you get dressed. What am I wearing? Does this look like me? Oh, I don't like how this looks, but I don't have anything else. Is this right for the room? Oh, I hate this outfit, but I have to wear it anyway because I don't have anything else. And that's what we're talking about today, the cognitive overload. Now, let me be clear. Outfit anxiety is not insecurity. It's not you hating your body. It's not you being dramatic. Outfit anxiety is what happens when your wardrobe has to become another decision that you have to make on top of all the decisions that you're already making, whether that be at your job, whether the kids eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, whether you're leading the team, managing a household, showing up online, speaking, traveling, decisions. And then your closet, it becomes the daily question mark, another decision. So by the time you get to it, you don't even care. Whatever, I'll just throw on this because it's clean. I'll throw on this because it's right here. It's available. I don't have to think about it. And it's heavy because your wardrobe is not in a system. It's just a bunch of random pieces. And every morning feels like you're starting from scratch. And that is exhausting. And high achieving women usually feel this the most because you have to dress for all of the different roles that you play in your life, whether that be for client meetings, whether that be for work presentations, whether that be for parent-teacher conferences, whether that be for networking events, professional development events, casual days, because those still require you being polished. Your wardrobe has to flex between all of these different identities. And most closets simply aren't built that way. Most people don't shop that way. They buy a cute top from Zara. They buy a blazer because they had to go to a last minute event. You bought some shoes that you're never gonna wear. A dress that you're gonna save for something. You don't know what the something is, but you're gonna wear it one time. And that's not a wardrobe. That's a lot of clutter. This might be a little over the top, but let me know if this resonates for you. Sushi can taste amazing. Same ingredients, same flavor. But if it's falling apart, if it's unraveling around the plate, it looks messy. It doesn't look cute. It doesn't give that sushi roll aesthetic. Now, you can still eat it because it technically still works. It's technically still the sushi. But that's the same thing that's happening with your outfit. Yes, you have pieces. You have clothes. Technically, you can still wear them. But if it's not cohesive, if it's unraveling, if it's not put together, and it's not necessarily about having better clothes, it's about having better execution. And that is what actually reduces the anxiety. And so let me give you 3 signs that you are likely dealing with outfit anxiety. The first is you keep buying, but nothing actually feels solved, meaning that you shop and you buy and you're like, I still got nothing. The second sign is you dread visibility moments. And visibility moments doesn't always mean things that are happening online. This can be professional events. This can be conferences. This can be travel. This can be dinner. But when that invite comes, you don't feel excitement. You feel panic. You're like, I gotta find something to wear. And that's not confidence. That's just because you lack a style infrastructure. The third sign is you have decision fatigue before the day even starts. You haven't even answered emails yet, and you've already tried on 2 shirts and 3 pair of pants. That is mental tax, and girl, it is not sustainable. So the real solution is not more shopping. The solution is actually having a wardrobe system. A system means you know what silhouettes work. You have your go-to outfit formulas. Your outfits match the rooms, the stages, the events that you're walking into, and you stop rebuilding from scratch every single day. And that's what I teach inside the Visibility Vault. The Visibility Vault is for women that want to feel clear before she spends another dollar, before she shows up at another event unsure, and before she keeps carrying that mental load all alone. It's self-paced, it's strategic, you have lifetime access, and it's really built for those that want a system. So if you've been telling yourself, it's not that I don't have clothes, something just feels off. This is what you're naming, outfit anxiety. And it's not because you're not confident, but it's because your wardrobe is just not set up for success. If you want the full framework, the Visibility Vault is your next step, because getting dressed should not feel like a daily negotiation. It should feel fun. It should feel easy. It should feel clear. You can grab it by clicking the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video.